The plugin is called Q-Sampler and it's one of Logic's stock drum features. This tool honestly is the absolute best way to load drums and 808s into Logic. It's also quick to import sounds. You don't even have to open the plugin. You just drag and drop to the channel into the drum machine designer and everything syncs automatically. You can even create a drum pattern within just a few clicks. All you gotta do is click Create Pattern Region and then you start your pattern. And on top of all that, all the channels are already set for you to start mixing once you've finished your drum pattern. But first, with just 2 clicks, to make sure all the patterns go into their own track, you need to convert to MIDI region, then separate by note pitch, and then you can mix each channel individually. And to be honest, it's one of Logic's best drum tools.